Hello friends, I am Mitra and today I will tell you a story that will touch your heart. Many years ago, in Guru Sandipani's ashram, there were two boys, Krishna and Sudama, whose friendship we still remember today. So, let's begin the story of true friendship.
Krishna, this bundle of wood is very heavy and I'm feeling hungry as well.
Just a little more. My friend, when we are together, even this burden feels light. This was the first color of their friendship. Walking together, even through difficulties, their childhood was filled with happiness. But time does not stop for anyone. After many years, their world became completely different. Krishna became a king, and Sudama stayed poor. Sudama's life was extremely difficult. He did not have even a moment of rest, and he had absolutely no money. Why don't you go to your friend Krishna? He will surely help you.
How can I go empty-handed? He is a king. And I?
His wife gave him a small gift, some flattened rice wrapped in a torn piece of cloth. That was all the wealth they had. Sudama set off. There was fear in his heart but hope in his eyes. Dwarka stood before him, a golden city where his beloved friend Krishna lived. As soon as Sudama moved toward Dwarka, the golden gates of the city opened on their own.
Stop! Hey, beggar! Where do you think you're going? This is a king's palace.
I'm a friend of Krishna. Please inform him that Sudama has come.
As soon as he heard the name, a storm of joy arose in the king's heart. The king of Dwarka ran barefoot for his friend. This is true friendship. No pretense, no hesitation, only love. A reunion where wealth had no role to play.
All of this belongs to you, Krishna.
Forget about the royal palace. Remember, we used to sit on the floor in the Gurukul.
Krishna, I was just feeling hesitant.
Krishna's eyes fell upon the small bundle kept beside Sudama. Sudama was trying to hide it, but Krishna had already recognized the love of his dear friend. With a gentle smile, Krishna took the bundle from him. Inside were the poha that Sudama had brought for him, and Krishna began eating them with great love.
My favorite. You ate Guru Mata's grams. Now will you eat Babi's poha alone too?
This was their love, a love that is not forgotten, even after many years. But now, the story is not over yet. Sudama wanted to ask for help, but his hesitation held him back. He could not say anything. Sudama did not ask for anything, and Krishna did not ask any questions. Their hearts understood each other without the need for words. Sudama returned empty-handed. But they did not know. They had never even imagined what was about to happen next. Sudama was walking toward his home with heavy steps and a heavy heart. Krishna said nothing. He understood the feelings of the heart and gave from his heart without being asked. In place of Sudama's hut, there now stood a palace.
Krishna, you did not say anything, yet you gave me everything. Blessed is your friendship.
This is what true friendship is, when hearts understand each other without words, without asking. True friendship is not where hands are extended for help. Rather, it is where help is given from the heart without being asked. True friendship is not about wealth. It is about love, respect, and understanding. My dear friends, if you like this story, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and do let us know in the comments how you like the story.